Hey, thank you for clicking on the video. Today we're going to be discussing how we insulate our inflatable hot tub so that it can overwinter and somewhat keep the bills down. So what I have here, so the first layer I use is a thermal tarp, and that helps to keep the heat in, kind of keep the wind down from the unit. I had to put rocks on it though, because it was blowing off and having issues with that. So underneath there, what I have here is 2 inches of foam board. They were out of 2-inch foam board at the store when I was there, so I actually pieced together, I think, 2 1-inch boards, and then I duct taped it real well like that. And then down below here, I got some indoor-outdoor carpet, and then I have 2 inches of foam board underneath that as well. And basically, I had the foam originally in the hot tub set directly on the foam board, but I found that every time I was rotating it, lifting it up to clean it out, I realized that it was sticking to the bottom of the tub, and I was worried that I was going to damage the tub eventually. So this is what I do to keep my tub warm. There's really good videos on YouTube where other people have shown you how they insulate their tubs. A lot of people are putting it in its own enclosure, and that's nice too. I'm sure that really helps. I've even seen them take like a Mylar bubble wrap and go around the sides. I'm not in love with the looks of that. I don't love the way mine looks either when it's all insulated. But the thing I like about it is that when I open it up and I take all this stuff off, it looks like a standard inflatable hot tub, and it doesn't look like a spaceship with all the Mylar wrapped around it. This isn't by any means the best way to insulate your inflatable hot tub, but it seems to work, and I think that this top lid actually saves a bunch of heat loss from going right out the top. I'll show you how I remove the cover and how I open up the inflatable hot tub. Go around, get all the rocks. And then what I like to do is actually grab the foam and the tarp at the same time. It doesn't have the Mylar wrapped around the sides. I like that. I'm sure that I'm losing some heat from my side walls. That's okay. Maybe one day you'll see me slap it on and try it out. You never know. But there's a ton of people on YouTube doing this as well, and it's worth checking out what they've come up with. Grab the cover. So then I'll just neatly place this stuff right here, lean it up against the building. The hot tub's open, ready for business. Check on the floaty dispenser. It was getting pretty low, so we're gonna put a little bit more in there. And I've really taken a liking to these. They fit really nicely into these larger chemical dispensers. If you're using the saluspa Chem Connect, these won't fit into it, so what you're gonna wanna pick up is these bromine tabs. These actually will fit in your saluspa Chem Connect. Oh, one too many. Two too many. There we go. Pretty good. Well, we're out here today. We're going to put a little bit of shock in the unit. When I shock the unit, I like to have the bubbles going. That helps to stir in the chemical. Just a little bit. As you can see, this bubble buildup that I have going on, I'm getting ready to drain the tub here soon, and I'm going to refill it before winter. But basically, I believe this is just body lotions, shampoos, deodorants, whatever you have on your body if you don't shower. And I'm not the strictest about it, but it is. These bubbles will build up and they get really bad eventually, and sometimes you just got to drain the water if you're not going to shower too thoroughly before going in. You got to just restart, drain the water. There's a lot of turbulence right here in the corner, so I'll actually just leave the skimmer right here. And you can feel the water pushing against it, so anything floating in the water is gonna have to go through the skimmer net. So I like to check the filter, change the filter, clean the filter. This is the filter housing. The filter's doing all the behind the scenes work for you. This one's not too bad, but what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna rinse it out. This is my filter housing. It's gotten some of the hard water buildup, the calcium buildup. We have really heavy iron, so unfortunately it's kind of stuck on now. I really need to clean it thoroughly. The same thing in here. Well, thank you for watching the video. I really hope you liked it. Check out our channel. We have a lot more inflatable hot tub content. I'm gonna run this inflatable hot tub for its 3rd winter this year, and I couldn't be more excited about it. If you're curious about any inflatable hot tub chemicals or accessories that I may be using, check out michigantreetops.com. We got a whole list of all the accessories and chemicals that I like using in my inflatable hot tubs.